We're the Aviation family, and we love to build hot air balloons, airplanes, and maybe even a helicopter.
Good morning from Aviation family. We're sitting out here waiting on Calvin to arrive from Zenith Aircraft. We're so excited about our new airplane. Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning.
How was your trip across the mountains?
Not bad, not bad.
Good
In
to
a
see
big
you.
vehicle, it's not the most exciting. We'd love to have the Miata out here, but
Yeah. The Miatas, I had a Miata, and it's fun to go across that mountain.
yeah, I bet. It's a fun little windy roads.
Yeah.
But yeah, good trip thus far.
We love flying things. Aviation is bred into our genes. We're an aviation family. Scientific, experimental, pure, honest, hot air balloon. We do that, building airplanes from the ground up to traveling the world and meeting new friends. How about a road trip? What do you want to see? We can go there, adventure in the sky, because we're an aviation family, yeah, family, yeah, family. We love flying things.
So we're here in the Red Barn. We got Calvin Heintz with Zenith Aircraft with us here today. He just delivered our brand new Zenith 750 Super Duty kit. And you can kind of pan there and see all the parts and pieces we have. And anyway, Calvin, so what do you think about our build? Do you think we're set up for it? Do you think we'll see any problems along the way? Or
Honestly, I think you guys are off to a great start. You got a nice, big, comfortable workspace set up for this. Plenty of storage space, and with you guys at the workshop not too long ago, I think it's going to go smoothly. I can't wait to start seeing progress on the rest of the horizontal tail and where you take it from there.
Yeah.
I think there's always going to be a little bit of a process getting organized, getting comfortable with your space and processes at the start, but I think you're going to be off to on a good footing real quick.
Well, we had a great time in February up at the Rudderbill workshop, and we learned a lot of just little tricks, like you were showing us how to handle the pieces of sheet metal and everything without getting cut or damaging the sheet metal. So we had a really good time up there with you guys doing that, and hopefully we're not going to let you down. Hopefully we're going to keep making the brand look good and do a good job. We're excited about it. And Sun and Fun, look forward to coming down in a couple of days, seeing you guys at Sun and Fun as well. But yeah, it's exciting times getting a new airplane today and getting started. I think it's going to be a good project for us.
Yep, that's where I'm headed on this trip. Just stopping by on the way to Sun and Fun and getting you guys started on the project. Looking forward to seeing more from you.
Well, tell us about your drive down. How was the drive?
It's long. It's a long ways. It's in total ends up being about 20 hours of driving from Missouri.
20 hours of driving.
But,
wow, that's tough.
But I make the most of it with the extra space in the van. We can make a couple stops like this to avoid having to ship stuff.
Yep.
And
A couple of treacherous roads going across the North Georgia mountains, probably. Did it bring you
bit.
across Richard Russell Scenic Highway, the real curvy road with the scenic overlooks? Did you see that coming in?
The name doesn't ring a bell, but there was a lot of that kind of driving, so
Yeah.
I may have just not noticed it. Yeah, you just take it slow.
Yeah. It's pretty amazing. It's amazing that you can get so many airplanes inside this van too. That's a neat neat thing.
Yep. Three airplanes work pretty comfortably. Beyond that, it gets a little too cramped.
And we were worried last night if we were going to have enough storage space here in the building for one airplane. He shows up with 3 airplanes in the back of the van. But, well, Calvin, thank you so much for bringing our kit to us and working with us and spending time with us. We appreciate it, and we look forward to doing the build and keeping you guys posted. And hopefully, if timing works out, we'll get to see you again in September at the homecoming up in Mexico, Missouri too. Maybe we can even bring a balloon up there and do a little balloon.
That'd be fun. It's neat getting to see all the equipment like this. I've never been really exposed to ballooning at all, but
you'll love it.
It's neat stuff.
You'll love it.
Won't be this year, but I'm sure it won't be too long before your airplane, your finished your Super Duty is up at Zenith for the September event.
Yeah, I won't quite be like Carson, where I'm going to have it ready in 6 months. That'll be a little tough to get done, but it'll be a fun process. And, but thanks again for everything, and we look forward to seeing you soon. All right, Casey. So what are you doing right now?
Working on inventory, making sure we have all the parts.
So Zenith brought us this inventory sheet that we're having to go through and check off one at a time. And so each one of the parts has a tag on it. So we're just verifying that the parts are all there and that they're all perfect. Of course, they wouldn't be imperfect. But we're going through all that right now. Calvin just left us on his way down to Sun and Fun. And hopefully I'll be reunited with him in a couple of days. But we're getting back to work.
The Aviation family. The Aviation family. Who are we? We're an aviation family. We love flying things. Aviation is bred into our genes. We're an aviation family. Scientific, experimental, pure honest hot air balloon. We do that. Building airplanes from the ground up to traveling the world and meeting new friends. How about a road trip? What do you want to see? We can go there. Adventure in the sky. Because we're an aviation family. Yeah, family.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can bring you more great content.